Heating is required only for the removal of the Honor Tablet 5 LCD. For the Honor Tablet 5, the small front cover is provided with adhesive. You need to use a handheld roller to press fit the LCD. For the Huawei MediaPad T5, directly fasten the LCD. The Honor Tablet 5 has a fingerprint sensor that can be replaced independently, and the Huawei MediaPad T5 has no fingerprint sensor. The small front cover of the Honor Tablet 5 needs to be removed. The small front cover of the Huawei MediaPad T5 does not need to be removed independently.